Hey everybody, I am just out shopping today doing all my little errands, and I ran into a few stores and I picked up a few things that I wanted to show you because I thought they were really cute. And so this is just like an impromptu video. I had my camera with me and it's just a mini haul. So first I actually went to Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna be doing some organizing now that summer is here. And even with traveling, I hate coming home to a mess or disorganization, blah, 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 in general. Especially just when you go away, you want to come home and you don't want to have to deal with anything. So I went to Dollar Tree and I found some really good stuff. So first, all of this was $1.25, which is amazing. First, I picked up this cabinet shelf to help tier and organize my cabinets, because my kitchen cabinets are crazy. It's because they're so deep that you just end up throwing everything in there, and there's so much vertical space. So I want to start utilizing that and organizing and re-looking at things. So along with that, I got these little trays because I thought these would be good for cans or loose items that just kind of get thrown into the cabinets. So these I can use anywhere. So if I only use one, I can honestly use the second one somewhere else. And I got the smaller ones. I was thinking these would be good for, like, you know, those taco seasoning packets that you get, and these came in a grouping of 3 for $1.25. I mean, you can't go wrong. These are really good. The next things I got were these heavy duty storage bags, and I don't know if you can see that, but the lady's like carrying sweaters in them, and each of these comes with 2. For us, because we don't have a lot of storage in our condo, we put a lot of things in our storage unit. So I try to switch out my clothing seasonal because closet space is at a premium. So I was thinking of putting sweaters and outfits, things that I don't wear that are more wintry, in these and putting them in our storage unit, because this will protect it and just be able to get rid of the excess stuff. I also picked up some super glue because some of my makeup brushes, this is so random, some of my makeup brushes, their handles are coming off, and it's just really bothersome when I'm doing my makeup and the handle flies off. So I saw this and I was like, oh, you know what? I need to get that. Okay, the next bag from the Dollar Tree is some more organizational stuff. I picked up this little red basket. I wanted to keep them all white, but I couldn't find a white one like this. I could always use one of these. I'm pretty sure I always buy these. I feel like maybe I won't end up using this, but at this point, I'm really looking to organize everything, so having more is fine right now. So I have this one, and then I really like this one actually for cans. I remembered it now. In my pantry, just putting all my cans on here, only because then I can take it all out. This is what I'm thinking. I can take it all out, look at what I have, put it all in. I just think that this might be nice, and if I need more of these, I will go back, but I didn't want to buy too many things. I also picked up a book. I've been looking for a good summer read, and this was $1. I thought, why not try it? It's called All the Difference. A simple yes or no can change your life. I just saw it in the dollar bin and I thought, oh, this might be a good read for hanging out at the cottage or whatever. So love books, love $1.25 books, so here we go. And the last thing from the Dollar Tree I picked up was these Plackers dental flossers, because you can never have enough of these. Okay, and then beside the Dollar Tree was Marshall's, and I only got one bag from there, but I got some really good, 3 things, but they're really good. The first thing I got, I'm really happy about. It's this Morning Glamour Wake Up Feeling Glamorous satin pillowcase in this, like, kind of in this silvery gray, and that was $9.99. I was looking on Amazon and they were almost $50, and then I was looking on another site and they were like $30. So as soon as I saw this, I just snatched it up, and the back says, studies have shown that sleeping on a satin pillowcase can reduce wrinkles and help eliminate hair loss and breakage. As you age, the sleep wrinkles that develop overnight do not disappear as quickly as they once did. So it's basically like really good for your hair and skin. So I got that. The next thing I got is this Revlon Color Stay Gel Envy. And I thought that these were really nice. This was like a really nice color and a system for $4.99. And I love my Petite Macaron. I do. I only have one color and I haven't gotten to ordering any other colors. And so for $4.99, I was like, this is great for now until I order more colors. So it comes with the 2 steps, $4.99. This thing is like literally worth like 20 bucks at the drugstore. It's crazy. That was really good. And then the last thing that I got is what I'm super happy about. Okay, it's a 2-piece set. I don't really care about this eye mask, but the jade roller, oh my gosh, for 14 bucks. This is a real jade roller. If you don't know what a jade roller is, you put it in the freezer and you take it out, or the fridge, and it's nice and cold, especially in the morning. It helps to like get the circulation going in your skin, deep puffs around your face and your eyes. It's amazing, and I've been looking for one, and this was so cheap, and so I just thought, okay, I'm gonna get it. So I got those 3 things and all that stuff from the dollar store. I'm really happy with it, and I just thought I would share. So this is just a little peek into my day and my errands. So I hope that you enjoy this video. I know it's so random, but I hope that that's okay with you and you like being a part of my day and a part of my errands and things like that. Anyways, I will talk to you later, and I will see you again for another video. Hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up if you like it. I will see you tomorrow.